Good morning. I am just after getting my breakfast. I ordered out, it's like my favorite meal at the moment. It's banana pancakes and spring rolls. And you might think spring rolls are really odd to have for breakfast, but they actually taste amazing. Like they really do. And for the day is to get my laundry done. So I'm gonna bring my laundry downstairs right now. It should be ready tomorrow afternoon, she said. I need all my pajamas washed. I have no pajamas left. I have no shorts, like clean shorts and stuff. Everything's going down to the wash. It's on the bed. So I'm gonna have these amazing pancakes right now. And do you know what, actually, I think I might run out and get like instant coffee. I was drinking, I've thrown it all out, but I was drinking coffee and it's like instant coffee and it tastes amazing. So I think I'm gonna do all that right now because my pancakes will be cold otherwise. So I'm gonna go run and do all that now and then I'll come back and have my pancakes. Okay, so I have my kettle boiling and now I'm gonna have my breakfast finally. These banana pancakes are just epic. They're epic. Quite as nice as the Vietnamese ones, but they are super nice. They're just banana pancakes and they're just so easy to eat and they're just yummy. There's banana in there. Oh, it's so delicious. The honey out here and in Vietnam is the nicest honey in the entire world. Like, it's absolutely delicious. These are the spring rolls, so again, this might be a bit random for breakfast, but they're so delicious. And they're vegetarian spring rolls. They're just super nice. It's just like carrots, spring beans in them. I think there's like a little bit of lettuce in it. They're just delicious. I've been eating kind of a little bit less meat since I got out here, just because I'm not really sure what exactly I'm eating. Sometimes I think I'm eating a different animal to what's advertised. I know that sounds really weird, but like they advertise like things as chicken and I'm like, is that really chicken? Sometimes it doesn't always taste like chicken. Can't go wrong with vegetarian spring rolls, honestly, and banana pancakes. Like, what the hell else would be in them? One thing I will say, the Vietnamese food is much nicer than Chinese food. And if you are picky with your food at all, like I mean even in the slightest, you're a little bit like at a downside because I'm not picky with food. Like I don't mind, like I'll eat anything as long as it like satisfies my hunger and it's not gross in any way. Funny about like certain meats, but out here you just don't really know what exactly you're eating. So I don't know. The Vietnamese food is definitely way nicer because you can't go wrong with noodles. You just can't. Out here, the food, like in China, the food is a little bit different, but I still enjoy it. It's really nice. So I'm gonna have my coffee, my spring roll and banana pancakes, watch RuPaul's Drag Race, and chill out a little bit because I'm knackered today from walking around. Walked around for like 6 hours yesterday. This evening I'd like to go for a run. I want to build up my energy because I'm pretty shattered right now. Like I'm pretty exhausted. It's just like when you're traveling, you're really interested in kind of like seeing the sights and wandering around and like experiencing the full, I suppose the full experience of the country that you're in. Therefore, you do get tired a lot quicker because there's obviously so much to see, so much to do. It's not like a sun holiday where you're relaxing, lying by the pool for hours and hours and hours on end. It's a little bit more full on, but I'm really enjoying it and it's something different. So I'm gonna relax. Like I said, watch RuPaul's Drag Race and I'll catch up with you guys later on. Guys, I'm sure like my footage today is the most random thing ever. I'm just not really sure what I'm vlogging at all. I think I've gotten this city down to a T, the name of it, Guangzhou. I think I'm saying that right. I'm loving like traveling around China and Guangzhou and whatever, and like we're going to Beijing and stuff. Try and keep it as, I suppose, compact.
Out for dinner at this seafood restaurant and stuff looks amazing, and you kind of get to like pick your own stuff out. There's like tanks full of fish. It looks really yummy. It's so pretty out. We're just sitting right here and just watching the traffic go by and the lights of the city. It's just really nice. So I'm really excited to get food. I ordered like some sort of platter thing and then dumplings. Like I order them every night. Steamed dumplings. I love them. And what else did I order? Noodles, something else. I was really tempted to order like chicken, and then I was like, no, you're in a fish restaurant. You can see all the fish back there. So you pick like your whatever you want to eat, and then you go back there and you literally pick out your food. It's kind of sad. There's like turtles in there but no shell, and I just got really emotional. I was like, oh my god, that's really sad. Like all the food in there is going to be tonight or like over the course of like a week, which is kind of sad. I love the weather over here as well. It's really humid. It's just really nice. Yeah, so if you really want anything else to catch us up on, you can see what I ordered for food, and I'll talk to you later. These are the large shrimp and then noodles, and then there's other stuff coming on like platters of food as well, but they look really tasty.
Hi guys, I'm just back from town. I did a spot of shopping, would you believe it? And I found this most amazing little Chinese shop. I guess it was like a nicer version of, I don't know what you call the shop. It's like a nicer version of Tiger, if you ever remember that or know that shop. This is kind of like that type of shop. And I found the most amazing products in it, and I want to show you guys because I'm so excited over them. I got such cool products in the shop, such a little hidden gem. So I just came back now to the hotel. It's just gone 4:30. Picked up my laundry downstairs. They did a lot of my laundry. I'm so happy because I was running out of like underwear, clean socks, like running out of, you know, like nice little bits and pieces like clothes and stuff for dinner and things like that. So I was really happy that they did that for me. I really appreciate it. Guys, this is possibly the most adorable thing ever. They have everything like individually wrapped. I have my little slippers and they individually wrap them. I'll go through all the stuff, and like my bikini and my bikinis and underwear, my bras. Isn't this so cute? And then they folded everything for me, all my little tops and my jammies and everything, because I was running out of everything. Isn't that so cute? And they ironed everything. I'm really impressed. But this is just so cute, the way they like fold everything and like have it all packaged in here. It's just the little things, I guess, in life that count. But how cute is that, the way they have everything like individually wrapped? It's like brand new stuff. I really need to sort out my suitcase. Like this is just a mess in here. So I'm gonna sort that out later on. I know all of this is clean, but it's just really annoying because every time I'm like looking for something, I'd like turn everything upside down. It's just quite annoying. And the same as my backpack here, like I have everything in this backpack and it's not necessary. Like I've still got clothes in here and magazines and headphones and things that I brought for like the plane, and I just need to like get rid of some stuff and sort this out and fold everything up properly and like sort everything out, I guess. This is the little shop that I ended up going into. It's called Miniso Japan, but everything is made in China. So I'll show you what I got here. I got like so many cute little bits and bobs. First things I actually picked up were these glasses, and they cost, I think they were like 200 and no, they were 29. Oh my god, they were only 29.90 yen. This is not even focusing. Okay, so I just did a little currency converter. So 29.90 yen is €3.80 for a pair of sunglasses. I nearly died. I was like, oh my god. Then I got this passion fruit. This is body lotion, or body wash rather. This was only 15. So 15 equals €190. It was so affordable. And then I got this. This is the shampoo, and that was 15 as well. And these are all like passion fruit smell. You want to smell these. They're amazing. So we've got
shampoo, conditioner. I asked the girl what all these products were, and then, sorry, this is shampoo, this is conditioner, sorry, and this is body lotion. They're all 15 each. Oh, this was 20, sorry, the conditioner. So really affordable. Then I got this product. It looks really like Bioderma. It's the cleansing water, so similar to Bioderma, and that's 15 as well. So again, 190. I got this, what's it called, a facial cleanser. I just thought these look really cute. Like, they're kind of like Korean, the Japanese, Chinese kind of skincare products. Love them. I got new socks as well. I have the funniest story ever, but I always buy new socks in like every country I go to. I know that's really random, but I like to have, I don't know, something to remind me of. I'm like, every time I put the socks on, I'm like, oh, they're from like China, or they're from like Spain, or they're from America, or wherever. So I got an orange pair. Well, there's actually, oh my god, there's 2 socks in each. Okay, so there's 4 socks there and 4 socks there, and they were only 15 each. So again, 190, so €2. So they're €1 a pair. How affordable. Then I got this tweezers set because I left mine in Ireland, and that was only 10, less than €1. And finally I got this little nose scrub, or not nose scrub, charcoal nose peel off thing to take out blackheads. So that is all that I got in that little shop. Really liked that shop. It just had kind of everything. It does have a website. It's a Japanese website, so there you go. But I really liked the products that I got there, and the smell of this is just amazing. I probably don't need that much skincare product, but I was definitely running low on shampoo. So there we go, got my shampoo, my conditioner, my body wash. And me and the girl like kind of talking about what these products were was hilarious. She was like rubbing her hair to tell me that they were conditioner, and she was like, you put this in first, then you put this in. And then she was rubbing her arms to tell me that this was body wash. So I really appreciate that. Yeah, I really like that little shop. It's so cute. So yeah, that's my interesting excursion today out shopping. And I feel like I'm getting like more freckles all over my face, and oh no, little spot. Even though there's no real sun here, I just feel like the rays are still coming through, and I'm still getting like attacked by the sun on my face. I am wearing an SPF moisturizer on my skin every single day, but you know the way you have to kind of keep reapplying that. I feel like my skin's not the best at the moment. The food here is very greasy. I've talked about that earlier. Last night I had seafood and tofu. I'm just kind of getting used to the city here. It's not like, I'm not overly like excited about it as much as I was in Vietnam, because it is a city, and I think I prefer to actually be in the outskirts of a city and like more in the environment, like the wild environment, and around like wooded areas and parks and stuff, and around nature. I just feel like if you're traveling, going to a city is not obviously a great idea, and there's so much congestion over here as well. Like, it's wreaking havoc with my skin and everything, and then the food's quite greasy and stuff, so I just feel like my skin is not at its best. That, and I'm not really sleeping like amazingly well. I'm just kind of like all over the place, and I haven't been able to get in touch with my parents either, because like I have been talking to them, like texting them, but I haven't been able to call them because all social media is banned out here. So you can't get Facebook. I think I might have mentioned this a few days ago, but you can't get Facebook, can't get Instagram, you can't get WhatsApp, so you have to use their equivalent. And obviously I'm not gonna like start downloading their Instagram to upload pictures and stuff, so haven't been able to update my social media. And I've only been able to call my parents on the WeChat, and I only figured out how to kind of use that yesterday. So I'm going to attempt to call them at some stage today, because I won't get to talk to them otherwise, because they're 7 hours behind in Ireland. The next time I talk to you, I suppose I'll be out for dinner and we'll see what's going on. I have no idea what way these vlogs are. I've mentioned that before. I feel like I'm not ending vlogs properly, so if I'm not ending vlogs properly, apologies. And again, I feel like I'm not kind of like signing out, signing in to every vlog, but hopefully they run smoothly. I'm so sorry about that, guys. It is what it is, I guess. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.